Yeah, Todd. It sure is, something.
Went into the construction.
Allergies. Got any cat?
But I can't get rid of Cat. But Cat, it says here that an allergy can start any time. I'm fine. But Todd, you said do whatever the book says.